Kenza?
Yes.
So where are you now?
Great Wolf Lodge.
Great Wolf Lodge. So finally we are at Great Wolf Lodge and it's time to check in. Okay guys, let's head out. Oh. Yeah, we'll have to take everything. So welcome to our new video.
Yes.
From where?
From
Great Wolf Lodge.
Great Wolf Lodge.
In
America. So you can't see.
You can see now. We can see it later.
And I want to go on the red one.
Which one?
The red and yellow.
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
We're within the water park?
Yes. Excited? You got your wristband?
I can't see it.
Yeah, I just turned it off. So you're ready for the water park?
Yeah.
So how much you excited? Let's go! के चाहिँ खेल्ने एउटा गेमहरू Yeah. Okay. Like this?
Yeah, no, actually, this one, you two sit. Wait, so how is he going to be put in the front? Oh, this one has time. Can he be in that one then?
Why are you so scared?
Then we're ready.
Yeah. All right,
It's
ready?
gonna be fun.
No. It's fine if that's facing forward. Do that one, yeah. Let's go.
Oh. Whoa, I don't know where it's going.
Turn the camera, turn the camera. Turn the camera. Oh, my goodness. Be careful, why?
Whoa! Whoa! Oh man! That's the one! Yeah! What happened? Whoa, man! Yeah! Oh man! Oh! This is too much. Sorry. You got me, man.
I got you.
Yeah.
How did you get that?
stay there. I'll come. You have fun? Where are you going?
Lazy River.
Let's go. How much? Where are you going now?
Outside
Huh?
the hot water.
What is it?
Outside the hot water.
Okay. I hope you guys are liking this video. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And we are having great fun here. Few water slides and then hot water. It is fun here. I think it's worth it, the price that you're paying. Especially the weekdays are much more cheaper than the weekends. So I would suggest you to, if you are free, then I would suggest you to come on the weekdays. Let's have more. So, what do you like the most?
The wave.
Wave? And what about the big slide?
I like the building.
Okay.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah, thank you again. You guys have a wonderful day and
Good night.
And yeah, only the food was not good, right?
No, it's good.
So guys, thank you again. We really had a great time here in Great Wolf. What is it? Great Wolf Lodge? Indoor. Yes, indoor water park. And yeah. I would suggest, right, if you have time, try to come on the weekdays, so you'll save some dollar. But I think purpose $80 after hours or the half day pass is a little bit expensive. But yeah, thank you again. You have a good day. Bye bye.
Be sure to like
Our
and
channel.
subscribe. Like and subscribe if you are watching this video. And we just went to